Yeah.
Test 1, 2, 3. Testing the synchronized microphone. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing the synchronized microphone. Yeah, the sound is good.
Okay.
Perfect.
The sound is perfect. The device gives us very good sound. Where was the problem and how we found out the problem? The problem was the synchronization with both devices.
We didn't read the instructions.
So what does it say? How to synchronize the receiver and the transmitter. How to do it?
You first turn on the transmitter.
Okay, we're gonna turn them both. We're gonna turn them off. So we first read it and I will do it. So
first turn on the transmitter. The blue light will be flashing.
Okay, now the blue light is flashing. You see?
Then second step, turn on the receiver. When the blue light stops flashing, successfully paired.
So there you have it. Turn on second blue light. Where is it? It is here, yeah. And now flashing. They stopped. So now once these two lights stop flashing, they're synchronized. So both the devices are synchronized. Then you make sure you plug it in the right thing. This is for a headset, for headphones. This is for the thing, for the microphone. And plug this to the phone. Then we're gonna make another test. Record and start recording. Okay. Speak now.
This is the attempt number 3. We are testing the new microphone.
With the iPhone.
With the iPhone.
Maybe adapter is not working, but yeah, it was working. Now let's hear the result.
This is the attempt number 3. We are testing the new microphone. With the iPhone. With the iPhone.
This microphone is very, very sensitive. It can even pick up my voice from distance, yeah.
By the way, it says that it can be transmitted 30, 50 meters in an unobstructed environment.
That is not true, but let's say
half of... We can check it tomorrow, easily.
Half of this is true. They say 160 feet.
It just says 30, 50 meters.
Okay, we're gonna try tomorrow.
We'll check it tomorrow.
That is a very good thing to have, because sometimes you can go interview somebody incognito, like a spy, right? We can wire you and you can be the James Bond or the seductionist of James Bond.
The Russian spy.
The Russian spy. You're gonna play the Russian, what was that? Whatever character, the girl that is spying on James Bond, and we're gonna wire you, and that's it. So I think this is part 3 of this thing. We know how to synchronize. Let's recap how to synchronize. Turn on this thing first, the light will blink. Turn on the transmitter second, and once both lights are
stop
flashing, the devices are ready to go. And always do a test video before you go to the main video. Tell them yesterday's video of 30 minutes, yeah?
By the way, yesterday we did our daily vlog, and the topic was very important. It was very, very nice video, very meaningful, I would say. And guess what? We uploaded it to YouTube, and then in 5 minutes we've noticed that it has no sound, even though we were wearing microphones, and we did the test ahead of time. I don't know what was the reason for this video.
And this is just us. This is just us, and we are nobody. But imagine you had the chance to interview Elon Musk or Donald Trump or some super celebrity, and then everything goes super good. It's a heated debate or whatever, and then you upload or then you check and there's no sound. So all your job, it's going nowhere. You lose your reputation. So the standard thing, it's always do a sound check test. Check the sound before you do the real video. So that's it for the moment. Xiaokoa. Maybe it's Japanese, maybe it's Chinese, maybe it's...
No, it says made in China, actually.
Okay, so yeah, it is. It is very good device. Now, I want to give my opinion. Like this stuff, this thing that cost $35 and $7-8 for this adapter without us searching in Amazon, without doing any price comparison, we just found the first one. I remember because I was in video production and photography for many years ago, and this thing what we can buy for 30 and there are some sets that cost like $10, the same thing but $10-15. They used to cost minimum $500-600 to $1,000 just because they was wireless. I actually do have one called Audio Technica. I can actually show you the Audio Technica. Yeah, it is the same concept. Back then, this, I don't know where it is, in some of these drawers. Yeah. Okay, let's find it in this somewhere in this drawers. You see, I have like a lot of. Oh, there you go. I believe it's here. Okay, so now let's talk about this. This concept here. It was the same concept. This is how they looked like before. Receiver, transmitter. Yeah, you see this thing? Okay, this was the receiver one, transmitter. You needed these batteries that you have to, these are rechargeable batteries. That thing back then, this set back then was like $1,000. This is a mixer, this is an extra device, okay? This is a mixer because here on this in this Audio Technica, this was, I don't remember how much I paid. It was not cheap, it was like in the hundreds of dollars. I think this was not the highest level, but it was, and this is what the microphone looked like, yeah? And yes, this was very complicated. You see, has a frequency, a big box, and now all this junk, it's replaced by this, and also, this you could not connect it to, I don't know, yeah, maybe. This is the receiver. Okay, what I have? Transmitter one. I had receiver. I had two receivers, okay, and two transmitters. And this set was, I think, was $200 of each. This space, let's say $1,000 for all this thing, or something like this. But it was very expensive, very bulky, and here we have it in your pocket. Portable studio for beginner, super cool. Are you super cool model? Yeah, so that's it, guys. Technology is going, and soon, I can make one prediction. Soon, this device will be,
even smaller.
It will be a sticker. It will be a sticker. You're gonna stick it, and maybe the stickers will come very soon with the 5G technology and with the technology of everything internet, and like the real internet is coming, 5G. And all this, like, you see how much junk you had to carry just to do a simple vlog. And now we have it here, easy. $30-40 with no searching for the best price. A lot of searching for the best price yet, like $1,000 or something like this, yeah. That was a good company. That's, I think these guys, Audio Technica, these was one of the best in sound in Germany. It's a German brand. It's a very good brand, a very good build quality. But back then they had some problems. Yeah, I can show you one of the problems, how bad they was. You see, this is a complete garbage. This is how they made it. Like you take this battery, you have to put this thing, and this was such a garbage. You see, and you put this battery, and this thing here goes off, and then you cannot do production. Yeah, not good. And I also had a charger, separate charger for this to charge these batteries. Each one has like 1, 2, 3, 4 of these batteries. The batteries was expensive, like $20 each one or $10, something like this. Yeah. So all this all this stuff, replaced with all this stuff. And hey, say something for the ending. Are you happy?
I am very happy because I'm always struggling with the sound. Yes, guys, thanks for watching our video. Subscribe, like, and share.
Here it is. Xiaokoa 2.4.
Xiaokoa.
Xiaokoa. There you have it.